To change in the dark routine time schedule in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine, and then tap routine. While you are in the routine screen, tap in the dark routine, tap time period. Under time section, tap start time and then set the new start time. As the example, we will set it to 5 p.m. Next, tap end time and then set the new end time. As the example, we will set it to 30 past 4 a.m. in the next day. Tap done button to save the change. By doing this, now your phone will automatically enable in the dark routine from 5 p.m. to 30 past 4 a.m. in the next day in the selected days. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.